The shop manager here would like us to review the Artdeshine TYRE COAT. 500 milliliters, $29.99. This is a polymer dressing / coating designed to bond to the rubber and act as a repellent. For 3 weeks durability, it's hydrophobic, will give you the wet gloss look with multiple layers, and with just one layer, a nice satin finish, just the way I like it. And that's what we're going to do here on this first tire, driver's side right rear tire, just one layer, and we'll move on to 3 other tires. I'll put 2 layers on the next tire, the front, and then front passenger 3 layers, and I'll show you the difference compared to no dressing or coating at all. No oily residue for sling. It's non-corrosive and safe on all surfaces. In case it does get on the paint, it'll be perfectly fine. It will not hurt it. The coating goes on best on a nice foam applicator. Just simply spread out onto the rubber, onto the tire, and move on. No need to worry about high spots. It pretty much self-levels. As each minute goes by after applying it, it will settle in a bit. And again, one layer, and I'll show you, will give you a nice brand new dark rich look. 2 layers, a little bit more glossy, and 3 layers or more will give you the deep gloss look. Not too many people like that anymore. 2 layers on the front driver's side tire. And 3 layers on the front passenger side tire. She may not look impressed, but she's satisfied with the first tire we coated as well. And speaking of that, first let's look at a tire that's just clean, unprotected. We'll come around to the first one we coated. Just 1 layer, and you can see it kicked back. It's just nice, dark, rich, and no sling whatsoever. You don't have to worry about wiping any of the dressing from in between the tread. Here's the second tire, just a little bit more glossy, and we'll go around to the third tire, and that'll have the most gloss. Let me know down in the comments section, which look do you like the best? The first tire, second, or third? Just let it cure for 15-20 minutes minimum, and then you can head out and drive, and it will not sling up onto the paint. The next morning, I dragged the tire out, and we're going to beat it up a bit. First, in preparation of the coating, you can really go down the rabbit hole here. I see some formulas where you're cleaning it with different chemicals. Just that a tire cleaner, a rubber cleaner, and I also have a white wall cleaner for the lettering. And I'll just keep doing that until I stop picking up dark, dirty foam. That may take 2 or 3 applications of the tire cleaner or the APC, all-purpose cleaner, until you get to that level. Rinse thoroughly, and we'll hit it with the cleaner once again. That should do it. The lettering is nice and white again. If you have white walls, thin or thick, clean them up good because this coating will protect them as well. The rest of the tire's nice and squeaky clean. I'm going to tape off 2 sections. In the first section, we'll just apply 1 layer. In the section right across from it, we'll apply 3 layers. Then we'll let it cure, beat it up a bit, and see what the coating looks like under duress. Just as we're applying the multiple layers on that side, we'll come back to the first side, and it's really starting to dry, just very slightly, has a little bit of moisture to it, but that will cure up fast under the direct sunlight. And you can see the huge difference it makes, just 1 layer, when it comes to the darkness and the look of the tire itself. Let me remove the masking tape, and we're going to come in for a closer look on both sides and let it cure properly. The tire had a chance to sit overnight until I got back to it outside, and as you can see on the right, that's where we have multiple layers, a bit more glossier, but it is now cured, and on the other side just 1 layer. That's the way I like the tire to look. As you can see, the hydrophobic properties of both sides, easily detected where there's no protection at all. Normally, tire dressings, tire shine will be gone after a rainfall or 2 or after you wash the car. So let's see how this holds up to just regular pH neutral detergent. So I can tell you through experience using the product, it does hold up well to rainfall, drenching rainfall, and multiple washes. We're going to break out something a little higher on the pH level, leaning towards alkaline. That's going to be a wheel cleaner. Let's douse the tire with the Griot's Garage wheel cleaner and agitate with a brush thoroughly. I mean, when you're cleaning your wheels, you could miss some up onto the tire anyway. Let's see how the coating would hold up to that type of cleaning. Let's even give it a quick wash yet again to make sure there's no residue on the tire from the cleaners. And as you can see, holds up rather well, and it does in real world situations as well. Snow, sleet, rain. Keeps the tire easy to clean when it is time to wash your car again, and apply maybe another layer or two in about 3 or 4 weeks. How did it hold up? Did it have any type of gloss hold at all? Let me dry the tire and then let it sit out in the sun, and we'll come back in about 15-20 minutes or so and have a look. And obviously it's still there, looking good. I surely enjoy it. I'll put a link down below if you want to look into it a little bit further. If you already have something, keep using it. Use it up. Maybe if you want to try something new, you can come back, revert back to this video, and follow the link. That's it for this video. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. I'll catch you in the next video.